Tracking and analyzing website traffic is one of the most important aspects of online business to grow. We constantly do online marketing, and measuring web analytics is therefore essential to the success of your online marketing efforts. Web analytics on your website offers many benefits. It gives you the ability to track and analyze traffic of your website, see the best sources of traffic, analyze your website usage and optimize your website, formulate and optimize your online marketing plan. Here, More Customer app gives inbuilt web analytics, which you can see here. Our software not only tracks website visitors but also track product pages and post pages. Every e-commerce website have thousands of products, and appropriate analysis of each product page are always helpful to boost online revenue. After logging to the mobile admin panel, first thing visible in the dashboard, here you can see a graph. This is a monthly website traffic graph. On the x-axis is the date, and on the y-axis shows the number of visitors visited your website that day. Below there are three boxes: products viewed, post reach and website visitors. Now, after clicking on the website visitors, two tabs are shown: visits and medium. Visits tab show a unique number of visitors on your website for a given date range. You can change the date to see last 7 days, last 30 days, 180 days and a year, or add any custom date to it. Now go to the Medium tab. Here, Medium is the source from where visitors come to your website. Mainly there are three sources: organic, direct and paid. Direct link, this means visitors know your website URL and opens directly into the browser. In the start, there will be more visitors from this source as we market to our friends and customers through WhatsApp sharing or direct URL sharing. Now, if we go for the paid, here data is shown when we do any paid marketing like Google ads, Facebook ads, etc. When someone clicks on your paid ads, we get a visit count. Now next is organic. This is a very broad source. We track visitors when someone searches your website on Google or any search engine. This is mainly when your on-page SEO is done properly, or when someone comes through any referral site like classified business listing websites. Referral traffic is generated when we do proper off-page SEO. Another big source is social, which many comes from our friends and fans on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Mix, etc. For more understanding of SEO, visit our blog section. Now let's go to the products viewed. This also show a similar graph, but here visitors don't land to a home page but a specific product page of your website. For example, you are browsing narrow jeans on the website, then that visitor entry is recorded here. Similar product graph is visible for individual products by going through product list. Here you can see I am going through the product list. Here when you click on the edit product, you can see the graph icon on the toolbar. So here you can check how many visitors have visited your particular product. Here suppose there are 11 views. Once I go through this graph icon on the toolbar, I can see. So this will take you a timeline graph where each entry is recorded date wise and origin wise. It will be displayed on your screen. Now Let's see about the post reach. This also shows a similar graph, but here visitors don't land to home page or a product page, but to a post, that is catalog of products page of your website. For example, if you have created a catalog of summer clothes, here we will see I have created a catalog of summer clothes which has 10 to 12 images on it, and you have shared the catalog directly put onto your website, then that visitor entry is recorded here. Similar post graph is visible for individual post. Through the post link, we have clicked on the edit post and we have to click on this graphic icon. Here you can see. Also, there is a view button. This will take you directly to the timeline of the graph, where each entry is recorded date wise and origin wise and displayed on the screen. So now you are having a depth analysis of each activity of your website. So start effective marketing and get a good SEO rank for your website and double your sales. Thank you so much.